Heavy and flabby arms can make us feel conscious while wearing tight-fitting or sleeveless clothing. And that is why a lot of patients, women in particular, opt for arm contouring surgeries. Now, what are our options for contouring the arms? One is liposuction and the other is liposuction with an arm lift. How are the two different and what results can we expect? Let us understand in this video. What is actually interesting to know is that in the arms, a lot of tightening can be achieved with liposuction alone if done the right way and without any telltale signs of a procedure. That is why the most common procedure for contouring the arms is liposuction. And we do that with small incisions which can be hidden under the armpit folds or here in the folds of the elbow. In the liposuction, fat around the posterior arm, especially this part, can be removed very well, and here the skin also shrinks very well. What does not respond very well with lipo is the loose skin around this area, which is the inner part of the arm. If you can pinch the skin around the inner part and the outer part, you will realize that these two types of skin are really different, and that is why they behave differently. So coming to the question of arm lift now. If you have very heavy arms and you have a considerable laxity of the skin along with it, then definitely liposuction alone may not suffice to give you the result that you are looking for. If you're looking for just reduction of bulk and you're okay with a little bit of looseness around the arms, then liposuction can be one of the choices. But the ideal procedure would definitely be a liposuction with a lift. What we really do in a lift procedure. In the arm lift procedure, we take out the excess skin and we remove the skin really from this part so that the scar along the arm, the inner part of the arm, can be hidden and it is generally not seen from the front or even from the back if you're putting your arms by the side. If you're lifting your arms over your head, then a line of the scar can be visualized to a certain extent even after a few months. But in general, if you take care in the post-operative period, then these scars also can heal very well, and after a year or so, it is very difficult to realize that there is even a scar. But yes, you need to adhere to the post-operative protocols and the scar reduction therapies. Of course, arm lift is a separate surgery and liposuction is a separate surgery, and the best decision would be taken by a surgeon as to whether only liposuction will suffice for you or if arm lift is the better choice for you. The care of the arm lift scar is especially important because this is a very mobile area and we keep on doing actions with our arms all through the day, and it even gets stretched when we are lifting our arms over the head. So definitely there will be some restrictions of movements after the surgery if you're going for an arm lift surgery, and you need to adhere to the wearing of the compression garments, and you may need scar therapies to reduce the scar as well. So in the arm lift surgery, the care of the scar is really very important, and you need to care for the scar so that they heal in a better manner and they can merge in the skin so that in about a year's time, it is difficult to realize that there is even a scar. So obviously, if you are looking for treatment of bulky arms, you need to decide well. There is also another small aspect that I would like to tell you before ending this video is that if you have very bulky arms, then the right procedure could be a two-stage procedure where we do liposuction first and after a few months we can remove the excess skin. In that case, the healing from both the procedures will be better and you end up having a better result given the comparison with a single procedure alone. Even lean people have bulky arms, and arm contouring can be the right way to go forward if you want to feel less conscious of your heavy arms. If you found this video interesting and useful, do like and share it with your friends. And do subscribe to the channel SB Aesthetics. We keep on posting very interesting information about plastic surgery on our channel. Keep the notification bell on so that you can get notifications for the new video. Thank you for watching.